What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So Xiaomi accidentally introduced an affordable smartphone Redmi 10 with a quadruple main camera and many other great features. Exploring the new stunning Redmi 10 smartphone with the latest features, specs, camera configuration, powerful chipset, long-lasting battery, price, release date, and much more. Please watch the full video content. The Chinese company Xiaomi for a short time published on its website a press release dedicated to the release of the affordable smartphone Redmi 10. The page with announcement date of August 18 was quickly deleted, but all information about the new device managed to get on the network. According to the latest official report, the novelty is equipped with a 6.5 inches FHD Plus display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels and refresh rate of 90 Hz. Dimensions 161.95 by 75.53 by 8.92 mm. Weight 181 grams. According to the latest report, the front camera, based on an 8 megapixel sensor, is installed in a small hole in the center of the top of the display. There is a quadruple main camera at the back. It combines a 50 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel unit with ultra wide angle optics, a 2 megapixel macro module, and a 2 megapixel depth of sensor. According to the report, the MediaTek Helio G88 processor is installed, which contains 8 core processing cores, including 2 ARM Cortex A75 cores with a clock speed of up to 2.0 GHz. The amount of RAM is 4 GB or 6 GB. The capacity of the flash drive is 64 GB or 128 GB. The equipment includes 2 speakers, a side fingerprint scanner, a 3.5 mm headphone jack, and a 5000 mAh long-lasting battery with support for 18 watts fast charging. The price of the model in this configuration is only $185. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.